Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people's house, broke people store, and all these things, and the police them a shake down the look at people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. So, this is part 2. We were sharing, you listen to Dadrick's Henry's niece, who's telling us of the abuse that Dadrick Henry had abused her sexually, she and his daughter, and in which we have no reason to disbelieve her. We believe this young lady wholeheartedly because she have no reason to lie on him because it's her uncle. And you heard she had, delve into details. So this is part 2 of the 5-part series, and we're gonna make you get it. We're not gonna break it, but we have to do it because data is everything, especially for the elderly. So we don't want them fall asleep in the car. One day we'll get old too, I just say. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
I wonder who it was. It may look the door open, fly open. It's only me. I said, come out. And we did a soap up, and I saw him grab me, and we did a rustle, and I licked my face and the pipe, the sitting there used to turn on the pipe. Mm-hmm. I licked my face and this up. And that was how it happened.
So,
and
when you lick your face, you knock out?
Huh?
When you lick your face, you knock out?
No, I never knock out. No, I never knock out. But and to be honest with you, I was about 17 years old. And you're afraid of him because I'm an uncle and him bad and him. I was definitely afraid of him. To be honest with you, I was scared of him. I mean, I expect for my uncle come to me in that way. I was very much afraid of him.
So when that happened, you never go to the police station immediately?
No, I went to Dr. Osborne and I told him, and he said to me, Dr. Osborne was an independent city, mm-hmm. And I explained everything what happened, and I told him, and he told me to wait till Marcia come because it's gonna be a big disgrace within the family and everything. So Auntie Marcia did not come until a week later.
Him wife?
Yes.
So after him rape you at that time, so you and him meet up in a, you know, talk to him from that in a house?
We did end up run, leave. I did end up going. And when Auntie Marcia was coming that day, I came back and she said I should walk in because I couldn't get cause him, shelter me like because I know the relationship that me and her have and me I go tell her. So him start him now. So she keep on saying, what happened? And I said nothing. And then to be honest with you, I tried to poison his food and that's when I told her what he did to me.
So what the wife said then?
Because he did it to other people, so she wasn't expecting his own niece because she knew him like that when it come on.
So who else him rape?
In Mali, a lot of other people can tell us who any bother them are. A lot of other people in the ground spot in Cumberland, other people around there can tell us him mess with them and try to mess with them. Stuff like that. So he's sick. He's a sick person.
Wow, because when it come on to him daughter and them thing there, even the one at Jamaica, when I found out that him never filed for them, I said, Virgin, oh, you for stay, sir, you have your kid them and you no file for them.
Not support them, sir. He no mind him picking them. He don't mind going up with the wife. It's a man and a mind him picking stuff and he not there the moment now. Give them nothing. Me tell him, I say, I should America, I said, me not collect it. I say, you're dirty, man. Yeah, he have a 18-year-old daughter go some high school. He know that man I give it them, that man I want him pick them.
Yeah, because I was telling him, I asked him, I say, I can't believe that you have you not even file for the child and them thing there.
He have 3 daughters as far as me know. 3.
So the one who live at Georgia, the brown one and them thing there, him rape she too?
So she told me because the shot like something bother her and at the other day she told me.
That's before him dead?
Yes.
Well, honestly, I never know them things. As I say, no, I never work with him. We never really see him office and them thing there. But you understand, we just know about him as a crime fighter and them thing there. You understand?
Yeah, but him crime fighter with him dirty cover-ups behind him. And just ask, if you're not believing a story, Mr. Say if I can get to somebody in a Cumberland, and just ask them who Mr. Henry is. Them used to call him Dad, the boy them on the corner. Just get to somebody. Him live at 49 South Patterdale. Just get to somebody.
So the house, so he was able to save the house?
Yeah, God, he must chew up GoFundMe.
Yeah, because
I must give. They said, what are we people can, what are we you know over big? And bad to people with your wicked self.
Well, I am the one that I was the one that really spearheaded it and them thing there, you understand? Because most
Are you name Mr. Wedderburn? Are you name Mr. Wedderburn?
No man, I mean in Porter man.
I'll be for them to deal with him, you know?
Well, I know that bigger for them contribute to him losing the job and them thing there.
Bigger for them contribute losing a job, then just don't say any other thing, man.
That's how Dadrick said them thing there. That is what he said.
Lie, Mattel. Let me tell you. Dadrick's son, where I'm with the wife, and I'm really blood son.
Oh.
I have this girl with named Michelle McCoy.
No.
She a witness.
Oh, you mean Dadrick's have a son, the wife have a son for Dadrick, but he's not Dadrick's son.
The wife have 4 children. 2 is for Dadrick and 2 is not for Dadrick. So I'm telling them, but you cannot say that they are not his kids.
Oh, okay. Although it's not his kids.
One named Otis Williams and one named Christopher Williams, but it's not his original.
No, it's not his biological child. Oh, but him. But him portray himself as his.
You can never know because the way you treat them and the way they treat you cannot know if a family member don't tell you that they are not his child. They are the wife's child, but they are not his child.
Oh, so that's before he meet the wife?
Right. The wife have those 2 kids before they met. And then him have 2 with her, which is Sean and Shavar. Shavar was the one that in the military. Sean are the one that did the music, so. Him have 2 sisters where the mother have, because several of them mama have. Him is the second one. My mother are the first one. The one who live over Queens and your Uncle Tanta used to station at Spanish Town. Him named G.K. Henry. He's the third one, and the one who dead when named Alton Henry were dead. That is the fourth one. Then you have Uncle Desmond. Then you have Auntie Cleo. Then you have Uncle Sibran, which is the last one. Uncle Derek is the father's child, but is not my grandmother's child. Uncle Delroy is the father's child, but not my mother's. Not my grandmother.
Oh, so okay, so the father have children outside too.
21 of them him have.
Well, I'm sorry for you what happened to you though. Boy, that's sad, man. You know, your own uncle rape you and them thing them.
Yeah.
I never did know some man a dirty man. Cause I mean, like them kind of people they still do, you know. Believe you me.
Because sometimes I see people who don't know them. Necktie. When I see people who don't know them.
So the wife know that and she still.
That's why she divorced him a long time. Years ago, that lady divorced him and married again.
She married again?
Of course.
But she not deal with him.
You can Mattis.
So she not deal with him.
She deal with him. Because when the man got dead last week, son then call and tell her say he still love her and he hope she forgive him and he forgive for everything what he do and I hope everybody forgive him. And she said things anyway, what color you really like? Blue.
Boy, look here. When your uncle, the one that's supposed to bury, he told me, you know, that he wanted to go to Jamaica. So I talked to him and I explained to him, say, man, look here, you're sick and all them things there. There's no reason for you to go to Jamaica because me even explained to him and I tell him, say, boy, when I was in the military and I got injured, see, my grandmother died in Jamaica. You understand? And I could not travel and I did not go because at the time I did surgery. You understand what I'm saying? And recuperate. And it's best for him to stay in America because Jamaica health care system is third world. You understand? Mm-hmm. And I know you're from him from that. When
I beg him back to tell him so. Him good and me, Uncle Sibran, my sister will live in New Jersey, Uncle Tanta will live in Queens, and Audrey is the four of us bury Uncle Danny. Him don't give us not even 50 cents. You know, all we know is him get money at the funeral. Since him dead, yeah, Uncle some police, because Uncle's station at Marvally, Constant Spring, and then the last place he stationed before he migrated from Jamaica was Spanish Town CID. He was a detective. Uncle Panther, other police friends, them reach out to him and tell him, say, them give Dadrick contribution at the brother funeral. So, because Uncle knows that me who overdo the funeral, him asked me, how much money Dadrick give in the funeral? I said, Uncle Manzi? I said, Uncle, do everybody where they tell us I give something, I put it and give it to Uno and show Uno, and we put it in the funeral. Uncle Manzi, one at a time when Uncle Ken come and say, I share one food for Uncle Manzi, and I share the food and give. Uncle Ken come back with it and say, Uncle Henry food, so I put I say, carry that box I go give him. Him not get no more ya. Him not put that line of funeral. Carry that go give him, no want it into it in the garbage. See, I said, don't think. I said, carry that go give him, that him forget. But it's like him special more than anybody else, yeah.
Boy, you really good for you to talk to him after that and all of them things after him there, because that's
the Wednesday when the brother grave digging a dig. That was the first I see him in about 4 or 5 years. And when I walk in over the graveyard over Aircastle, he said, come here, my niece. And he could have hardly talk. So from this, I call my sister the day and I said, Uncle Manzi not have long left, you know, he have less than a month left. Because I'm working at that field, so I know. And yeah, they're very glassy. I'm go and he said, Uncle sick. I'm open to forgive me. I said, Uncle, you're a good man. I'm going to walk with him. Him lay down upon one chair sitting. Could have hardly move. Suppose I see him at the funeral. He live long after the funeral because Uncle Danny Berry's son going to hospital Wednesday and he dead Wednesday gone. And Wednesday the man did for marry. Him go to Jamaica when the all sorts of something to pay for marriage, to go married. So me tell him, I said, God, I go work it out. So kind of want married to the young girl to give her everything so in pity they don't get nothing. I don't think, man.
What a wicked man. So that, cause I see did that dig him down, you know.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
but even when him go down on them thing that him soldier not working, so how am I gonna you understand what I'm saying?
The enemy getting pension off. Anyway, when the case anyway, getting pension from the JCF.
Me know,
Anyway,
say,
getting pension.
But look here, if him soldier not work on them thing now, what's the sense of him I get married to her?
No, that's why him end up dead, because him insists when his son said to him, said, Dad, where you go? Him want to take out the seat for good because I think that good go get scratches or something. So him the one and take it out, because everybody said to him, say, anyway, why you not take out the
catheter?
prostate sitting there? Why you not take it out? Him said the girl not get a pitney yet, and he want to get a pitney. So that's why the cancer end up spreading in his body, because him could have removed the prostate, you know. He could have removed it, but he didn't want to remove it because all him interested in is the little young girl them when dead. Him tell us him no want nobody. He no want nothing over 30 year old. In there with chief and she had 20, so she just get 30. So we did that one if I go through her out when she gets 30. And since she there with him, she catch him in her house there with her sister. So she didn't move out, left him too.
My grandfather, I saw him dangerous, man.
So you don't know that the man there. You don't know him. Nobody can say nothing for you.
Wow.
As long as it just upon a map stick. Yeah.
My God, Dadrick, a real dirty man.
You don't know that the man there. You don't know that the man there. That. I hope he find a resting place if God have one for him.
Well, I want to tell you, say, even a woman, she not send, cause her son a doctor and them thing there, and she'll call me last year, and she's, you know, normally people are sending money through ZELLE and them thing there, so them normally send $1 or something like that, and the woman send $1 go give man them thing there, cause she want to find out if it, and boy, me I tell you, cause a $5,000 she tell me, you know, so she not send go give him, cause she have a son with a doctor and them pool up and all of them things. There's a woman, she come from Clarendon, but she live in California. Her son a doctor and her husband in the police. So, you know, based on the thing when I do on them things, and I tell you, so Dadrick cuss her bad, you know. And when I contact him on them things, and
a side drunk still like him give people something to put on.
yeah, so I had put I send the message to him, but unfortunately we have a group that he was a member of, and I send him, and unfortunately I send it to the group instead of him and them thing there. And so everybody in our group hear it and them thing there, and him I say, boy, him call me and I say, boy, why me never send it to him? I say, me send it to you. I say, boy, everybody hear what woman I say about him. And I say, so him I say, boy, I don't really saw it go on them thing there. And I say, the woman has no reason for the life on you. Because I'm here when the woman say, she not send 5,000 and come give him, but based on him behavior, she does send 1,000.
You see my mother? Him? The one who dead right there?
Yeah.
My mother, him, the one who dead and the one in clear, he then tell her walk around. They lie, they tell her dead pan a lie. Me say about him and the one who dead. Me say me tell you what do you know? Me say 4 bitches in the family, 2 gone, 2 to go. So then lie, you see me mama she make up a story tell her you me say him born the 11th of December and my mama born the 14th. When me tell her say they lie. Miss Amy uncle what me can tell her say no come out time out and the truth. It's 2 times Henry get shot. Henry come up at St. Thomas one Saturday evening for carrying one wanted boy named Paul, which I'm family member too. And him and Paul are rascal and him have on, you know them shoes with it study something at the heel. And him slip and slide on the grass and him get a shot in at the top of him foot. Him and bigger foot go gamble one Saturday downtown. Google it. When them turn on the gun pan, no, me if you not Google it in time there. And one pregnant, and he said, 2 boys on a bicycle have got towards up, we saw Captain there, because some around there say, I say, I'm down a big tree. I don't want to tell a lie. I don't know exactly the spot down I told but I saw me down there, so. I know people that used to sell watches and then something at the back, something of them.
Yes, for Harry Street.
Some of them. And the boy them ride on the bicycle. I know them have the 2 mirrors something. And when them have the 2 mirrors something, him set a bigger foot. You know, say a gunman them. And the boy just turn around and just light him through the something. And it got 2 inches from him heart. And the boy shot him. And one pregnant woman jump out of the way and say, I'm a father, I'm a murder and I kill him. And him and bigger foot turn the gun for the woman and kill the woman downtown. The evening and bigger foot thing say, cover yourself and drive him drive. I say, and say, police, me get shot. And I'm next uncle them, because everyone of the brother them are police. And my next uncle them go guard him. Until he could have come and Miami come finish get you. 2 times get shot and on 3 times here.
So I'm to the boy who shot him.
The 3rd incident where Henry had talked about is when madman stabbed Henry down at Ochi. And it too wicked online. A madman stabbed Henry down at Ochi. I say him like pay like him a hero. Not a thing no go 2 times to get shot. 1 time on the stopper and foot and 1 time in our test. And it too wicked online.
So I'm to Paul what did you wanted? What did happen to Paul?
He didn't end up kill Paul, man.
The same day?
No, man. Paul did one for him after he get the shot and sit and he drive come a town and sitting. And must a couple months after he come back. He come back and he years at night. He had a police come back and kill him.
No, so Paul was Dadrick's cousin?
Yes. By my father's side.
So nobody never vexed him do it though?
Nobody at St. Thomas not like him. Nobody gonna like him. Them say, y'all what them see him up there on the sit and lay down. Them say, the wickedness when him do appear back on him. Nobody gonna like him.
Why?
I tell you, it's my body. I'm saying, I carry Dadrick. I sent Thomas go church him coming on the way. They don't like him.
Why they not like him?
Who him not beat up. Who him not hurt. Them just, people just not like him for, the way the man stay. You know, somebody not like you, they not like you. You see all people volunteer with the next brother with dead and jump around. Anything them have to do for him. Remember, I'm telling them better fork out the money for do it. Nobody not do it. Him? Him picking them go and pay till them like how people doing their things to the next brother with dead. We can't tell us they not do that for him. Him?
Boy, one thing with him, I tell you, after so I get some people and them send 2,000, I'll get Dadrick, you know.
You know when take it though? Him through him so have a nasty repetition. Them take away him gun, him can't get no gun on Jamaica. And him take it and appeal for gun license on Jamaica because Jamaica government say him not get no gun on there because the amount of report where they have against him with the wife. Because he is a woman beater. The amount of complaint they have against him with the wife and when drag on pan this and he drag on pan this and somebody and he drag on pan that is somebody there. Then see it.
So him used to beat Marcia too?
What? 7 days a week, twice on Sunday.
Oh, so she still, so that's why she come off and she left him?
Of course. Of course.
So the first 2 son where wife have on them thing that the father couldn't come round them boy them.
You know, I never seen him. I've never seen him till me yesterday. I think me here say him dead. Because you can't believe what Henry said because he's a liar. And you see when him tell you a story, him dramatize with it. Say, if you don't know, so listen what Henry said. When him tell you a story, baby. I hear one blogger talk on sitting about Henry and crime and sitting and I said, Jesus Christ. This a blogger want somebody box him down real good.
Well, still, apart from all them dirty deeds where him do and them thing there, and them thing there, this
He's a
pick.
very good crime fighter. Very
Yeah,
good
yeah,
crime
yeah,
fighter.
but with all the things them that you are saying now and them thing there, if I had known that before, I wouldn't even associate myself with him and them thing there. You understand?
If me did see a video before you that did year before him did. Cause me want a year before him did.
Yes, but
So
it's
you
the
know
video.
them and look bad.
It's from last year. From last year, I've been doing this thing for help him.
No number that did it. I'm going to text you one day.
No man, no. Look here, a number is on the channel.
No man. There one time I want to make one comment say the man a liar, they not sounding not listening, you know. It wasn't you and the first something will come out of you, did I do it?
No, my channel is the Jamaica Young Police channel, the one of the Jamaican
No,
label.
there is a channel when Depan man.
True Island Story. True Island Story.
Right. That channel let me try get yes.
Yes,
Right.
I have nothing to do with that. I am the one who put.
Well, it's the first time I watch you, and I'm a next auntie down at Florida, which she married to the uncle of Queens. She called me and tell me and send it to me.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm here, me say, what a wicked dirty man, because I ain't tell the man them something here.
Yeah, because you understand. But I thought it was a full representation.
So me not normally would have go up and go watch it if people not call me, because even last 600 people call me and say, you know, see your uncle and blood, me say that's a film business.
I saw it and I never do any video about it because, as I said to you before, and I can send you the text, you know, I had said it in the group that I had spoken to the man and told the man not to go to Jamaica because I tell him, say if him go down there, I'm dead, you know. I told him that, you know.
So, he not go down at Jamaica. When him go down, he tell him son, say, thanks for accommodating me. Good luck to you and your family. And he tell his son, say, he come home for dead. He come home for dead because he never want dead up here. He go down for married to him like a young girl. Man no go down for no uncle funeral.
So I lie him tell on them thing there.
You don't know what Uncle Man say. He's a little liar.
Because look here, when I found out that him there Jamaica, I call him, you know, say him not answer me, I call me back.
He not answer you. Not answer you.
You understand? And I am the one that did the most. I am the one that did the most of the thing for him, you know.
And them say a man when he because last night we did have a family meeting and the sister she cause we have said a weather burn save him out. That's why I asked if I union weather burn.
No man, I lie that man. It's not Weatherburn, it's me. That's a lie. I am the one that did. If you look on the channel, I am the one that did like 4 videos on them thing there. Hey, look here. Even alright, him receive all of the money. Most of the money where him get is because of me. You understand?
Wow.
Him get it through ZELLE. Because I am the one, you understand what I'm saying? Weatherburn, I first me I hear about Weatherburn and them thing there.
Say, I wish to God the people them could have get back their money because the man is wicked. I wish to God people hard earn money where Henry take a mine young girl. Me say me sorry. Me sorry if you know say people have to work so hard in this country and Henry tell on the bag and lie them and want to take it and stop it and that Henry have the money and say go down to Jamaica go buy him buy Bridget slippers for the sister, him buy Bridget slippers for the girl. Jesus Christ, you know it's a you know oh my people hard earn money where them have to up here work for. That
So the man got Jamaica for married for give a young girl everything and not give kid them nothing.
Exactly, that's what I'm going to do.
Well,
but God work it the other way. And the day when I'm wedding there, I did the end dead. The day when I'm wedding there, I did the end dead. If you marry the 24th and come back up with 27, that's the ticket your uncle buy for him. The day when him married, I did the end dead. The 24th in if married.
Well, I just part of life and them thing, you know. We not regret what we do for man. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. But what me upset about are people hard earned dollar. And people that is really out there that need the help. Children that are there up at children's hospital and places that really need the help, they don't get it. And with film bag of lie them when tell them about him a wait for money for not because the man getting money long time. Nothing go so.
Well,
Man getting money and buy Toyota, wish on every hotel where you can think of a see my post on social media there. Man getting money like that, Jamaica government and the money for him. He win the case of Privy Council long time. More than I think before the pandemic. Of course, before the pandemic. And we are wicked.
Because he told me that he was waiting on the result like a Privy Council.
Sir, and that the result will come long time. May I tell you when they get Henry the money? 2011, Hurricane Sandy blow 20. My daughter born 2011, 2012, must be 2014 or 2015. And we get back in result, must be from 2017 or 2018. The meeting a car accident 2018. And we get back in result for an time there and getting money. As some like Henry start getting pension. Henry never get pension if him have case of Privy Council. But you should have known better than that story there. And we never get in pension if them dismiss him out of the force. Him did never get pension if Privy Council did have it. And we didn't case long time. Long time. That's wicked. That me say the man wicked. Me say it wicked until wicked can't spell.
Why it's sad though? That's all I can say. It's really sad.
You look at the Butterfoot girl when they were, I must say 29 or 30, them say she is now. When I see her, she partly, she call me Uncle Funeral. I say for your funeral, she don't dress like, she can't dress for God funeral, she can't dress for God party, she can't dress for a backyard barbecue. Everywhere she go, she have on the clothes and the whole her skin out her door.
So might as well she want naked.
Hold on there. In the funeral, the wife did sit down in front of some people up at St. Thomas. And the wife sit down.
The ex-wife.
Husband. We family still recognize her as his wife. Because we recognize her as the auntie-in-law. So we don't use the word ex. Him wife sit down there. And the people them, I say, I want to make him answer. And them I say, you know, see. And them I say, no, that. And then say, and the girl went there with, and then start to chat behind me. And one of them said, no, you did that one nice wife, me don't want me to him and her. They said, no. Then that the man said, pick me and daughter. They said, they are dirty. You know, see a dirty man. You think he might change? And the people then, and the wife sit down there, but she's not from this, she don't really know who the people them. And she get up out and said, madam, she could have just better come everywhere she have. Whole her kin out her door, she literally naked.
She a carouse. She a carouse, man. But I don't know nothing about them and them thing there, you know, you understand? Cause I don't mix up with that, we don't mix up with bungle and them thing there.
The man is a disgrace. All the rest of brother, wife them. If I see them, you can know because every one of my uncle them serving at the Jamaica Constabulary Force and their wife, when you see them come, you see especially female wife, she a red cap. When you know can dress in a baby. So it's surprising. And one thing with him know how to carry for himself. Him well know how to put himself together. So when everybody see him with this episode, so everybody I want to say then, Jesus Christ. Him as somebody will have class, him know how to dress. When I see him dress a goat, him look good.
Yeah, so we have come to the end of part 2. Yeah, man, the reason why we saved this for all these months, we were waiting just for Father's Day to share it with you guys. So, you know, it is really unfortunate that this is what happened, you know, with this man when he was alive. Unfortunately, we did not receive this information before he passed away. It was after he passed away that we received it. But not because he passed away, you know, that means it, you know, his character still speaks for itself, although he's passed away. As we said before, you know, he was a crime fighter just like we are on the street, but not because of that, you know, that don't exonerate him from his behavior. We have no reason to disbelieve this young lady because it's her uncle. Why should he, especially even his daughter? And she tell you, you know, you hear some things that this man have done is just heart wrenching. Oh, you know, how the police was allow this man to behave in this manner for so many years, decades. No man, something was wrong. So part three will be coming up shortly. As we said, we're just gonna space it out for you guys, especially for the elderly. 'Cause we have to respect them. 'Cause one day we are get older. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.